in the business unit power plants. Different temperature conditions require customized technical solutions. Through a modular design of the power plant, business unit power plants faces the demands of the market. The powerhouse is the main area of the power plant. Many different systems are integrated here. Due to its modular arrangement of components, the powerhouse is easily expandable. Without any modifications, a large powerhouse provides a flexibility that makes the basic idea of synchronization in the business unit power plant. The engines are operated on gas. Heavy fuel different temperature conditions require customized technical solutions. A modular design of the power plant, business unit power plants faces the demands of the market. Ventilation system is designed for a wide temperature.